Hello, welcome to the Newport Public Library. This is the reference department, and we're just going to do a tutorial today to teach you a neat little tool that will let you keep track of your reading history. In addition to books, it will keep track of your DVD history, anything that you check out, any of the resources that you check out from the public library. So how we get into this nice little tool, which is called an opt-in tool, we go to the Newport Public Library homepage first, which is where we are right now. And we're going to go over to this top tab that says My Account. You click on this, and this is how you log into your library account, or one of the ways that you can log into your library account. You'll need your library card number that's on the back of your card, and you'll need your PIN number. Now, the PIN number is usually a 4 to 6 digit number. If you have forgotten your PIN number, you just click right here and you can reset it. But I've remembered my PIN number today, so we're going to go over here and we're going to submit this and log into our account. So once we're in the account, you'll see these options on the left-hand side. And when you scroll down to where it says Reading History, this is where the opt-in option comes in. So right now it says opt-out, but I'm going to this and we're going to say, so when you first log in, if you've never opted in before, this is what you'll see. It'll say opt in. And all you do is click here, and now it will say opt out, but what will happen is from here on forward, anything that you check out from the libraries in Ocean State will start to be listed right here. Let me give you an example of one that has been opted in before, so you can just see what it will look like. So let me go right here. Here's a person that has opted in. You'll see that you have options to delete. You can select some of them and delete them if you want. You can delete them all if you want. You can actually export them, so you'll get an Excel sheet, spreadsheet that will show you. You can have a print copy of it. And then at any time, you can also opt out. So with this little tool, this will help you if you ever can't remember, if you've read a book already, and you can just go back to your list to see if you have, or if you feel that you want to recommend a book, but you can't remember the exact title or the author, and you want the exact information. You can go right to your reading history to find out. So this is this nice little tool that we like to recommend to people. If you have never opted in, then we unfortunately can't go back and see your history. Okay, whenever you're logged into an account, I always recommend that you log out, especially if you're in the public library when you do that. So I'm going to log out right now, and then I'm going to go right back to this page, which is the catalog page, and just talk about one other thing. When you are taking out digital information or digital resources, either through Overdrive or Libby, that automatically keeps a record of it. So they're two separate history lists. Okay, that's all for now. If you have any questions, always give us a call and or give us an email or pop in.